Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. In my last video, we were watching how the price line of Verasity was moving in a down channel, and at the same time, it was testing a very strong and key support. And by the way, before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. This was the chart that I shared on 2nd of January for my members at the Patreon. And I'll also share this move with you as well. And I was telling you that after testing this key support, we can expect a powerful reversal from here. And this key support zone is starting from 2.9 cents and goes to 2.4 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line, I was expecting that it will test it, and now you can see it has tested this level, and now it is likely to move up from here. Right now, it is moving at 3.22 cents. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then here price line is still moving in this down channel. Here we have tested this support, and at the same time, the price line was also testing this support of the down channel and that key support that I was talking about, this key support of 2.9 cents. And after testing this level, the price line moved up at this resistance of the channel that this move was up to 3.58 cents. And after this rejection, the price line moved down and likely to move sideways here. And it is possible that during this move or within few days or few hours, it will break out this resistance. Why? Because if we take a look at the oscillator, then RSI oscillator is forming higher than previous high, and if we watch the price line, then it has formed lower high than previous high. So there is a bullish divergence appeared on this daily live time frame chart. Therefore, the price line is following this bullish divergence, and after this rejection, the price line did not test the support of the channel again. Therefore, there is a really very high probability this time for the breakout because we have a bullish divergence appeared on this daily live time frame chart, and recently the price line is also getting bounced by this very very strong and key support as well. And as in my previous video, I was telling you that the real move of Verasity most of the time starts after when on the weekly time frame the RSI moves above the 50 value. For example, if I place this trend line here at the 50 value, I'm just going to set the value of RSI here, this chart here at 50. You can see that the value of this line is 50. And we can see whenever the RSI is crossing up this 50 value, we are having very, very nice rallies like it happened here. It crossed up the 50 level. We had a nice rally. Then again here, when RSI crossed up the 50 level, we had a very, very big rally. And here again, RSI crossed up the 50 level and we had another very big rally. Therefore, this time, if the RSI crosses up this 50 value, then it can start another very, very massive rally. And before that, I'm expecting that the price line will break out this channel. That will be the first signal for a very big move. And during this move, RSI can, the price line can set a new all-time high. Our final resistance approximately here at 8.7 cents. However, I'm expecting that the price line will also cross this level and it will set a new all-time high for Verasity. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.